Tremont. You know, sometimes the best offense is a good defense.
Here's the crux of this issue, though. Matt Tremont has dominated all over the world, and Masada hits the barbed wire. I'll get back to my point in a moment. As just picture those barbs, those sharp edges piercing throughout the body of Masada.
Yeah, before the matchup got underway, when I was in the ring, I took some time to touch some of those barbs. Just like that, the complexion of a match like this can change.
And a sadistic steer